Hey guys, another quick video right here. I'm showing you guys our zero gauge amp kits that we have in stock right here. So we have three different amp kits and I'll show you the differences. The first one is CCA wire, the second one is 100% copper OFC, and the third one is oversized 100% copper, which is also tin copper as well. So the first one, I would rate it 5 out of 10. It is aluminum clad wire, and we all know that kind of goes bad after about 2 years. But this is good quality wire made by DB Drive. It's not super expensive, so good to go. The second one right here is made by Elite Audio, so is the third one. And the third one comes with the best unboxing experience in the business. So I just weighed these amp kits, and just the power wire on this amp kit weighs more than this entire kit right here with the packaging. So the second one is 100% copper as well. The wiring is very similar. This is regular size, that's oversized, as you can see the difference. Also, this one has regular ring terminals, while this one has copper terminals which are soldered. The RCAs are metal with fuses inside. These RCAs are plastic covered as well. The price difference is only about $50 in both of them, and it shows the difference, especially with the unboxing experience. The oversized wire, tin copper, which is the highest quality copper available as well. So all these items here are available at EastCarAudio.com. Go over there, purchase it today. Otherwise, send us a message. Let us know what do you want to do on your amplifier. And just remember, especially if you have one of these amplifiers right here, which are the Korean amplifiers like Apocalypse or Taramps, we do recommend 100% copper wire, either this one or that one. We do not recommend those on that right there. If you have any questions, please DM us. Thank you guys. Bye.